Hello everybody, welcome back. C-Ray Tech here and my son Caden. We're gonna go do some flying today. We're gonna hit up the local shop. We got ExcelRC out here in Garden City, Michigan. We're gonna go pick up some cool stuff and do some flying. Catch you in a minute. Alright guys, we're here. Check out the track. My son's flying it right now. He's just ripping around a little bit. So look at this. Indoor RC drift track is a blast to fly. Thank you, ExcelRC. Yeah, this place is awesome. So, Caden, what do you think so far?
It's good.
It's good? It's fun?
I pretty much crashed mine right in there.
Oh, you crashed in the garage? Well, be really careful. Yeah. And say thank you, Michigan Slide Syndicate.
Thank you.
Reach in there, grab it.
It could have been cool if I flew it from out there.
Yeah, but let's try to stay away from that. We got to be real careful. Yeah. Yep, this is Excel. It's a little indoor flying spot.
Cool.
It's pretty cool.
Fly safe.
Oh yeah, fly safe, fly often, right? While I was here, I got a nice little bag of goodies. We'll check that out. I'll do a video on this. That's some awesome, cool stuff.
A box of batteries right there, and
you got it.
We got this big box of batteries right here.
Yeah, but I got to do some talking. But yeah, we'll check out your batteries. See, show them the batteries you got. Where's your quad? Where'd you put it? You can't leave it over there like that.
I know.
Yep, flying the Beta75s Lite. He loves it. Super awesome. Yeah, I'll upload some DVR footage. I'll have some DVR footage from my son and myself, so you can check that out. But I hope everybody has a good one, and stay tuned for some future videos coming out. And as always, fly safe and fly often.